Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can create an organization chart and add it to your document in Microsoft Word, for instance, for your company or brand or firm. So let us get started right away. Now, open a new document or use a pre-existing one on Word, move the cursor and click where you'd like to place your chart. And what you want to do after that is click on Insert here at the top. And from that menu here to the right, select Smart Arts here. And after that, you will see a list of available Smart Art graphics here to the left. And what you want to do, guys, is head over to Hierarchy or Hierarchy, sorry for my poor English, and select the type of organization chart you would like to use. For instance, one with names and titles, with pictures, or a simple plain organization chart like that. So let us go with that one. You'll select it with your left mouse, confirm by clicking on OK here, and that is going to add your organization chart to your document. So what you want to do after that is keep customizing it. For instance, you may resize it just like that, or rotate it, or move its position. You may also fill in the cells here to the left, starting with the uppermost cell or item. For instance, starting with the CEO, which is usually at the top of a company, and then simply go through these cells and enter the given title or position, like second CEO or sales manager or secretary or whatever title you would like to add. You may also delete these items or cells by left clicking on them and by pressing the delete button on your keyboard, or add new cells to your chart by simply selecting one with your left mouse and by pressing Ctrl C and then Ctrl V on your keyboard. And as you can see, you may also move these cells freely around to find a custom position, just like that. It's all super intuitive and you can do this manually. However, guys, you may also use that feature here at the top, add shape, and simply add a new shape or item to your chart, or expand that menu by clicking on that arrow down icon here and decide where you would like to place your new shape, like above, below, or before, and so on and so forth. You may also navigate through your shapes by clicking on or using these buttons here: promote, demote, right to left, move up, move down, and so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, there's a lot of customization to choose from. You may choose also a custom color for your chart, or a specific style like that one here, for instance, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's all to it. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.